I used to end every night scrolling, eyes heavy, brain buzzing. I thought I was resting. I was actually draining my future self. Nights felt like escape rooms I couldn't solve. One more video, one more scroll, one more hour gone. Every morning, regret came dressed as alarms I kept snoozing. I was productive by day, but haunted by my nights. That's when I asked a dangerous question. What if the way I end the day decides the person I become? That question changed everything. Your brain loves closure, but it hates chaos. The way we end the day tells the brain if life is under control or on fire. Chaos before sleep means your mind stays on guard. Order before sleep means your body releases the brakes. I realized my nights weren't relaxing me, they were training me for distraction. So I flipped the script. I made my nights the start of tomorrow's victory. I built a ritual, not a to-do list. 1 hour before bed, I hit shutdown. Lights go soft, screens vanish. I treat it like powering down a spacecraft. No chaos, no noise, just systems off. Because peace doesn't find you, you create it intentionally. My rule: when the light gets warm, I slow down too. My energy obeys the environment. Every night, power down, internal calm. Sleep is your brain's payment plan. Every worry you leave unresolved becomes debt. So I started paying before the night ended. I wrote down every open loop, tasks, thoughts, fears on one piece of paper. Suddenly, they stopped circling like vultures. My mind saw proof. We'll handle this tomorrow. And that's all it needed to rest. Then came stillness. 5 minutes, that's all. I closed my eyes, focused on breathing. 4 seconds in, 4 seconds out. No apps, no background noise, just me. Thoughts came, thoughts left. That silence, it felt cleaner than any shower. I realized it wasn't about sleeping early, it was about ending consciously. Before I closed my eyes, I named 3 wins of the day. Even the tiny ones. The smile from a friend, that one workout rep I didn't skip. Gratitude is the currency of peace. It informs your brain that life is safe and progress is happening. When I started ending days with gratitude, waking up became lighter, and the best part? My dreams stopped being reruns of anxiety. I made a deal with myself. If you respect your nights, your days will respect you. Every healthy routine starts with a promise, not a schedule. So I built an identity around it. I wasn't trying to sleep better. I was becoming the kind of person who does. That shift made it permanent. Identity greater than discipline. Some nights I failed, scrolled too long, slept too late, but regret never replaced the mission, because consistency isn't about never falling, it's about falling forward. Each imperfect night was still data, not defeat. Today, my nights are sacred. My phone sleeps before I do. My thoughts have a home. My peace is my power source, because a calm night writes tomorrow's confidence. You don't need a new day to start over. You just need tonight. Build your night routine. Protect it like it's gold. If this voice found you at 2 a.m., take it as a sign. Turn off the world, turn on your life. See you in the morning with 0 regrets.